I'm not only going to tell you, but I'm going to show you how this P2S laser engraver can introduce you to a big world of precision and creativity. If you're ready to take your DIY projects, hobby, or small business to the next level, this could be your game changer. There are plenty of videos online showing you what's in the box and how to assemble the machine, which I might add is very straightforward. So let's just get this machine plugged in and let me show you what it can do. I'm going to use the xTool P2S to create a stunning custom wooden artwork. Now to kick things off, let's see how it handles 9mm MDF. Notice the precision as it effortlessly cuts through the MDF in one pass. It handles MDF like a breeze, and if you wanted to go thicker, you definitely can. The free xTool software is incredibly user-friendly with built-in tutorials to guide you. Now, let's explore the P2S's finesse with delicate materials. I'm going to try some 1mm veneer to create some colour and texture in my artwork. How cool is that? It literally glides through, leaving clean lines and sharp cuts with no burn marks. The adjustable power and speed settings allow for optimal results on various materials, and that definitely helps with preventing burning and ensuring clean edges. The dual HD camera is a standout feature for me. It allows precise placement of your designs even on the smallest material, and it means you can utilize every bit of your stock, minimalizing waste. Even intricate details handled with impressive accuracy. And now, with a little glue and creativity, I can create this custom artwork that is like no other. The options are absolutely endless. I have tried many laser engraving machines, and xTool machines are always a standout for me. The software is free, extremely intuitive, the machine is made from quality materials, and I have no hesitations in recommending this machine. Happy creating!